God, this mud is relentless. And this thing, it's just as dead as the day I saw it last. All right, you old beast. Let's see what's under all this mud. All right, hooks in, secure the pin. Got it, this cable won't budge. God, this thing is seized. Come on, got it. Keep the pressure steady.
Target those main gears.
Check the eye sockets. God, this thing is a mess. What's that? Ooh, yes, I think I see it. It's too faded. Oh, wait, no, I can make it out, yes.
All right, slowly does it. Got it. Now to get this track section off.
The diameter is precisely 20 feet, but the wear is extensive. We need to assess the structural integrity of these gears. Almost got it. Just need to clear the eyes. All right, let's get you cleaned up. Power surge detected. Systems initializing. Whoa, what was that? Targets 3 and 4, adjust pressure. Keep that rinse cycle optimized. Roger, adjusting pressure now. All right, Beast, let's see what's causing the problem. Hydraulics are bone dry. Need to get some fluid in there. Hooks are secure, lift it slow and steady, and set. Good work. All right, that should do it. Careful now. And got it, much better. All right, crew, engage the crane. Copy that, preparing to lift. Careful with the panel. Slow and steady wins the race. Lifting now, the eyes are bright. All right, you seized up hunk of junk. Just a little more. There. Got it. All right, Beast, time to unplug ya.
Careful with those corroded connections.
Got it, power's off, no more red eyes.
All right, hold it steady, just a little more. Pressure reading stable. Got it, pins out, easy now.
All right, here goes nothing. Easy now. Got it, clear.
All right, exhaust 1 detached.
Good.
Good, proceed to number 2. Copy that.
All right, slowly now. Just a little to the left. Perfect, lower away. Almost there.
Careful with that drive shaft, Mira.
Just the last bolt.
Copy that.
All right, these things are really on here. Finally, that one's off. Now, to check the chassis, the engine and the fuel tank are completely gone.
Check the radiators, they aren't even here.
We have to build this thing from the ground up again.
It's gonna be a lot of work.
Keep it steady. We need a full submersion for maximum effect. It's deep enough, Mira. The reaction is strong. Stand clear.
All right, that's another bearing race cleaned. This beast will run like new. Just need to finish up the rest of these.
The snout is done. Looks like new. Fantastic work, Char. Let's move to the tracks.
The oxidation is gone, but the microstructure is still within tolerances. We're ready for plating. All right, new components here. Let's see what we've got. What's in the box? The core drive. Perfect. This will fit right where the old one was. All right, new treads are here. Let's get these beasts' feet back on. All right, smooth rotation. Brackets look solid. Perfect. I've got the new hoses and wiring ready. It's time to bring the buried monster beast back to life. Almost there. Watch the clearance. Perfect. Secure it. All right, gasket in place. Now for the head. Steady, steady. Perfect, engage hoist. Lower slowly. All right, timing marks aligned. Now for the final tighten.
Looking good, Mira.
Just one more adjustment, and perfect. All right, oil pumps in. Torque to spec. Ready for the next phase. All right, these new injectors are gonna give her the bite she needs. Looking good, Mira. Almost ready for the run. All right, water pumps secure. Now for the thermostat housing. Perfect, good and tight. Perfect, now let's get these clamps tightened and move on to the next component. All right, wiring harness installed, routing clean. Just the final checks now. Well, isn't that a thing of beauty? Months of work, and she's ready to sing. Just need to get her back in the chassis, and the Titan is back. All right, lowering now. Keep it steady. Watch that flange on the left.
Just a little more. Slow, slow. Perfect.
Release tension. Give us the all clear.
All right, fit just right. Gotcha, you brute. Locked and loaded. All right, perfect fit. Just gotta seat it now.
Careful.
Careful, steady pressure, and set. Good, done. Line them up, keep the chain taut. Right, got it, hold that angle. Locking it down now. Almost there. Just a bit more. There, locked. Lower slowly. Hold right there. Okay, secure it.
Verified.
Verified. You can hoist up now. The running gear is perfect. Now for the rest of you, beast.
All right, second layer's on. Need to get this contour just right to match the original armor. Time for paint. This primer will hold it together. Solid work. Keep it smooth.
Looking good.
Almost done with the skull.
Hurry. I've got to find every flaw before we put on the final coat. This guide coat will show me exactly where the problem spots are.
Ensure the pressure is constant.
Keep it steady. We need that perfect finish. Watch the overspray near the skull.
The crimson red and glossy, just like I envisioned. All right, that's the upper jaw installed. Looks good.
Almost there. Keep going, Mira.
Just need to check the alignment. Line it up. That's it. Pin. Right, lock and tighten. Solid. All right, hold it. Nice and slow, just a bit further. Stop. Down. Easy now. All right, looks good. Release the tension. All right, transmission outputs secure. Now for the final drive, got to get the angle just right.
All right, easy does it. Secure. Time for the lines.
Lower it slowly, just a few inches.
Copy that, dropping now.
Perfect, aligning right side.
Ready for the lock.
Engage the locking mechanism. All right, that's secure. Now to check the tail. The beast awakens.
Activation sequence initialized. All systems online.
Systems online. Let's dig in. Fire in the hole. Stand by for activation. Engaging now.
All right, old girl, let's see what you've got.
Engines online. Power stable. Are you ready, Commander?
Engaging jaw sequence. Initiating opening mechanism. Closing the jaws.
Engaging transmission. Power is stable. Move out.
Engaging main power. System checks complete. Initiating exit maneuver. Clear the path.
Engaging rear hydraulics. Systems check. All green. Spin up the cutter. Let's see what she can do. After all this time, she's perfect. Ready to roll again.
The beast is awake!
Outstanding work, Mira.
We did it!
Yes, we did.